I noticed on some of the bears that we were catching that they were warm when we pulled them out of the traps. And so about 3 years ago, we started putting temperature or thermometers in these traps so that we could see how warm it gets and set some parameters about, well, if it's above 75 degrees, we're not going to use these traps, but we can use this style of trap.
We're going to deploy these temperature loggers. We're going to put one inside the trap and one outside the trap. And we're securing them at about the same height so we can be consistent. And when we capture a bear, we're going to be looking at the temperature increases within the trap. And so we can do this in several different styles of traps and determine whether certain styles are better to use during different temperature regimes and conditions. These are bear-proof containers. It's just PVC pipe, and they each have an individual ID. And we're going to have one temperature logger secured in there with a zip tie. And this is just to keep them from rattling around or getting chomped on by a bear. So we've got one in the trap at about, well, I'd say breast height. And then we're going to put one out here on a tree in the shade on the north side of a tree. And we're going to use that as our control, the one outside the trap, to give us the ambient temperature. And then the one inside the trap is going to give us our fluctuation once we capture a bear.
And so we're certainly evaluating and learning as we go. We want to capture these animals, but we don't want to influence their survival.